isa kami ni Andy sa mga naimbitahan. Marami daw artista na rin ang pupunta dito.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zoobs! Welcome back sa aking channel! Hello naman sa inyo dyan. I'm Diana Zubiri. Sa mga bagong pasok po, please like and follow and subscribe sa aming channel. We have Facebook and YouTube. Diana Zubiri. Okay mga Zoobs, para sa ating araw today, kami ni Andy ay may trabaho ngayon. A-attend kami sa isang event kung saan sila ay nagbibigay sa amin ng clothes. Ito ang United Colors of Benetton. Meron silang event today dito sa SM Mason at isa kami ni Andy sa mga naimbitahan. Marami daw artista na rin ang pupunta dito. And we are happy na makakasama natin yung mga friends natin. I think nandito sila Aubrey, sila Troy, sino pa man yung makita natin dito. Kaya samahan nyo na naman kami sa buong araw natin today. Kaya, show! Ayan o. Tignan nyo lang. Naulan lang. Nandito kami sa Skyway. Hindi nga kami na traffic today. Actually, mas maaga ang dating namin.
In 1 kilometer,
Done.
exit right to
Our
E2
call
Skyway, South Buendia off-ramp.
Mapapaaga kami ng dating. Okay lang yun kasi at least hindi kami late. Marami rin kami kasing gagawin after this. So magpapakita lang tayo doon. Kasi sana umabot kami doon sa next event namin ni Andy. Hindi ko alam kung magkakasya yung isang buong araw natin. Ang dami nating habe today. And today din, dumating yung dad niya from Pampanga. Magsistay siya with us until tomorrow. Tomorrow na siya babalik na Australia. And the kids, hindi nila alam, kaya masusurprise sila. Kaso lang, hindi namin ma-film yung surprise kasi we are out. Kaya nandun yung pamangkin ko to alaga all our kids today. So, ayan, we are almost there. Are we? Hindi pa pala. Buendia pa lang pala to. Big Skyway na kami. 24 minutes na lang.
Buendia off-ramp.
Ang importante naman hindi traffic eh. Yun nga lang, nag-iingat tayo dahil maulan, madulas ang kalsada, mga Zoobs. Kaya sana sa mga nagdadrive din dyan, nakapag-uulan, kailangan po ingat-ingat tayo. Huwag tayo masyadong magmadali kahit late na kayo dahil mahirap na makadisgrasya ang apple. Ayun. Time na ba? Maaga pa, 1:15 pa lang. Sana may food dati. Well, may food kasi restaurant pala yun. But sana may
may steak o oil.
steak! Grabe naman yun.
In 500 meters, turn right
Makapaglakad
on
pa tayo.
Ariana.
Makabili pa tayo na Christmas gift. Sino nabunot mo?
I didn't check it because I'll check it when King arrives. This because I have two.
Okay.
Why did I stay? I should be leaving. Hear what I say without even speaking. My compass is off. Why did I choose you? I'm just too lost. I need to cut loose. I keep it in my head. I keep it locked away. My friends think that this is over. Guess it's the price I paid. Played with the enemy. Now I got you on my shoulders. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again.
Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again.
Wanna let go, I wanna lose you. Fall out of love as you're supposed to. This was a phase that I was a mistake. But I can't move on with something in these days. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love, let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again.
Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love.
Ayan, gabi na mga zoobs. Tignan nyo yung dinadaanan namin. No?
Pura nag-date
Kasi may view doon. Ayan yung view doon. Hindi ko alam kung kita nyo masyado. Hindi, may mga lights kasi. Ito, ang ganda lang oh. Nandito na kami sa may Corinthians Garden.
People all sitting on the back of their cars.
Oh, it's so nice. We are so sorry. Ganun kami ka-busy ni Andy. Hindi kami nakapag-vlog masyado after the event. So after the event, ikwento ko lang. Galing kami sa Benetton. Meron silang mini fashion show kung ano yung spring collection nila. And also summer. Sobrang cute. Tapos, ayan, nakita natin yung iba nating mga friends from showcase. And also mga hindi din galing sa showcase. It's good to see them. And after that, dire-diretso kami ni Andy. We pick up Dad. Kasi nga,
Parang sobrang bright.
ayaw mo nun. Pick up Dad. Nag-ano kami, nag-pickleball kami sa Dinkenshot. And sobrang hindi maganda yung naging laro ko doon. Dahil at first, someone hit my ear.
Hey, you did that.
Me? Hindi.
Yeah, it hit your paddle, diba? And then hit your ear.
Hindi. It was directly to my ear.
Talaga?
Yeah, I didn't hit it.
Akala ko it hit the paddle first and then hit your ear.
No.
Okay.
Yung tira niya, dumaan sa ano ko, hindi ko masyadong nakita. Tapos narinig ko na lang, ring! Talagang nanginig yung eardrums ko. Medyo matagal ko siyang na-feel. And then, my last game, tumama sa pa ako yung bola. Yung isa dyan, hinabol niya. Ending, pa ako yung natamaan niya.
But imagine if your leg wasn't there.
Babe!
It would have been a good shot.
I know, hinabol.
We probably would have won the point and the match.
Natalo tuloy kami kasi after nun, wala na. Hindi na ako makagalaw, masakit. Tapos siya, syempre, medyo injured pa yung legs niya. Ang sakit. So, inayos ko naman. And then, nagpunta kami dito sa kaibigan namin. Birthday sa lubong niya. Hinatid muna namin si Dad sa bahay para makapagpahinga na siya. Kami ni Andy, ito na, pauwi na. Hindi ko lang pwedeng i-vlog yung party kasi private party siya. So, pasensya na kayo mga zoobs at dinadaan ko na lang muna sa kwento ang vlog natin for today. Meron naman akong mga snippet syempre nung kanina, nung fashion show.
I forgot that was earlier. I felt like it was yesterday.
Ang haba kasi
Well,
ng
technically it is yesterday.
babawi ako bukas dahil yung araw namin mahaba ulit. And at least pwedeng i-vlog yun. Hindi namin kakalimutan. Hindi masyadong busy. Pero madaming gagawin. Pero there's time to vlog it. Kanina kasi tayo nakapag-vlog sa pickleball.
Yeah, because
We're
it's
so
just me and you.
busy. Oo, tapos
So we don't have
wala
anybody
kasing
to-
magba-vlog. Tapos may music pa. Eh, syempre, ang hirap naman kasi Oo nga, nang dalawa lang tayo. Tapos, ang bilis ng ikot kasi konti lang yung mga players sa daming courts. Kaya, dire-diretso din yung laro namin. Buti na lang, nakatatlong din ako. Tayo pala kasi pares pala tayong magkakampi. Nakatatlong game.
Yeah,
din.
we were only there for an hour.
Ang maganda lang dyan, every time na umuwi kami, kikita namin yung mga bata. Mga 10-minute play, kumustahan, ganyan. Bawi na lang sa weekend. Actually, ang work ko hanggang Monday. Ang haba ng weekend. Pero, tayo, blessed. Kasi kahit pa paano busy, di ba? So, ito na, pauwi na kami. Sobrang pagod. And Andy needs to wake up early kasi siya ang maghahatid sa mga bata bukas.
Super.
Ako naman, 10 a.m. ang start ng araw ko bukas. Medyo bawi pa ako. Gosh, I need to shower pa na.
At least baby won't be in the bed, so
Yes!
you can cuddle me.
Yeah, I know, last night, no, it's so hard. Dalawang bata yung nandun sa gitnaan. You can relate there. Oh my God, my eyes is so tired. Look so tired. So, ayan, magbababay na muna ako sa inyo ngayon, mga Zoobs. Pasensya na ulit kayo. And I hope makita natin kayo. Makita nyo naman. At sana bukas, panoorin nyo yung vlog. Sorry talaga today. Pawi tomorrow. Bye!